If you haven't seen the catalog in DIYFPV, we have like hundreds of thousands of products from across the store, all collated in a massive database. So this right here, this newbie drone VR ready to fly bundle kit, you can find out exactly how much it is, who's got it in stock, go check out their prices, all that sort of stuff. Really, really cool. And then he's like, well, doesn't Google just do this? And I was like, that's a really good point, because why do we have this catalog here for people to help you pilots all for free? You can go check it out. The link should be, I forgot to put the link in, but anyway, DIYFPV. You might be like, hey, I want to get this. So you do a Google search. Here's our Google search here. Now, okay, we've got a couple of different ones across the top. We've got one of the ones that we actually want to have a look at. Then you've got to scroll down. Okay, now we're looking at some videos, some Reddit posts. It's a little bit confusing, especially if you want to go and buy something. And he said, well, what about if you click on the shopping link? Because shouldn't that be relatively similar to what DIYFPV is offering? Some links to where you can actually go and get it. I was like, yeah, okay, let's put this to the test. So remember, here's our one where if we click on something, like let's say, we'll click on this one, Wrecked, because obviously it's going to be at newbie, but let's see, is this going to be the same drone? Yeah, here it is. You can go and buy this right now. It's the same kit. If we look at Phaser FPV, you can go and buy this. This is the same kit that we've got right here. So DIYFPV is a pretty powerful website, but versus Google, and this is where I'm going to say we are so much better than Google, because now we've gone, so here's our normal Google search, and now we're going to have a look at shopping. So we've searched the exact same product name up the top right here. We've searched exactly this. Check this out. So let's have a look at shopping. All right, so this is not it. Now these are sponsored. So first of all, you're going to get all this rubbish across the top, and one of these is the link that is the product that actually matches this. Then we have a whole bunch of drones right here. So yes, this one's correct. But if you're a newcomer looking, you're like, wait, is it this one, this one, this one, this one, this one? None of these other, they're out of this result of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, like, 20 or so drones. 2 of them are the actual thing that you've searched and you might want to go and find out. And all the rest are something completely different. And if you don't know FPV, you might be making the wrong decision. You might be making the wrong purchase. You might be getting the wrong product. So after I showed him this, it was a bit of a proud moment for me when I was like, wow, we have really created something special where we can search, find a product, and it compares this one uniquely to exactly it with a really high degree of accuracy without any of that other garbage filtering in. So I was quite proud of DIYFPV. So I thought, you know what, I might show guys just how well we're doing as well. So